What makes felt roofing a cost-effective and versatile solution? Felt roofing is not only practical, but also budget-friendly. Here's why it's a smart investment. Affordable installation. Felt roofs are relatively easy to install, which can help keep installation costs down. This makes them a great option for those looking to save on roofing expenses without compromising on quality. Versatility. Felt roofing can be used on a variety of roof types, including both flat and pitched roofs. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of properties, from homes to commercial buildings. Low maintenance. Once installed, felt roofs require minimal maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Creating a strong, durable roof over your head isn't just about picking the right tiles or slates. So if you're thinking about your felt roofing options, don't forget to consider the value a felt roof could bring with us.